Alright. Welcome back, everyone. This is another recording from the future. Or technically the past, but the future. This is actually where we picked up where the recordings fell off because they started glitching again. So that's going to be another reason why we don't have any camera on us. So, yeah. Alright. That is soap.
It didn't glow.
I could use some of that. Hell yeah, I got another one of those fucking comics. Jesus Christ, kid. What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh, it's a projector.
Projectors.
Why does he have two projectors? And a TV with weird fucking texturing. What the fuck is wrong with you? This kid likes guns. In that Scott Pilgrim style. You know, these almost look like they're realistic except for Future Tank. Future Tank didn't sell me. What kind of PC you got?
The Lost Kingdom.
Oh,
Is that?
Is that what? You know, I really wish they would do like an Uncharted thing on here. But they don't make any Uncharted references for some reason. It doesn't make any damn sense.
They're two different worlds.
I know they're two different worlds, but like they're two beloved worlds, in my opinion. And I feel like they both deserve some love. This ancient fucking relic. That's funny because those things still weren't even relevant around the time when this game was made.
I used to have a TV like that.
Same. Yeah, it actually used to be in my room, but it didn't have HD. It was just like component, so it was really terrible quality. The backlight on it starts... The backlight doesn't last very long, so it starts to look really bad. Like a phone with low brightness. It gets really bad after a while. What the fuck is he barking at? I just let his ass out.
I told you to watch him and make sure he actually
Get the fuck out of my way, Coral! Jesus fucking Christ.
That's how I know I did this one, because I had to deal with that too.
Now we've got more people to get in my goddamn way! Oh, I thought that said Chocobo Toys. I was like, Final Fantasy?
Get away from the windows,
You know,
but go straight for the window.
You know, from far away, he kind of looks like... Well, not super far away. But he kind of looks like Childish Gambino.
Yeah.
Right?
You said that last time, too.
They might have modeled him after it.
I mean, I don't see why not. Probably didn't realize it, though.
The fuck is going on, Ellie? Sorry, y'all. I'm chomping down on some fucking cake. Pick that toy up and it'll be your last fucking move, bitch.
I'm pretty sure she's waiting for you to turn around.
Does she? Ah! Uncharted! There it is! You bitch! How'd you get all... Jesus! You fucking... Goddamn... Why is Chess in like a dog food bag?
It's a box.
That's fucking cool! Satan! But yeah, no, Jak and Daxter. Okay. Wow. Right as soon as I say it, it happens. I'm a god. Alright. Hey guys, what are we getting
Get
down
down!
for? Oh.
Goddamn, Kyle.
Watch this shit.
There's somebody talking to him.
He's probably fine. Where the fuck does this guy think he's going? Okay, you know, we didn't have to shoot.
You were supposed to sneak around that. To your right.
Damn. Ellie just took him out.
That's not Ellie. Ellie's next to you.
What is this guy doing? Did we just fucking wombo combo him? Hey.
You almost missed that. And it still broke.
Ooh, wait, nope. Mine's better. Get the fuck out of my gun! Ooh. I'll take that. Alright, y'all. Fuck you. I got a key and it's called a gun. I'm gonna break down the door with my fucking fists of justice. I remember there was something on the toilet. Firefly.
So this was their safe haven.
Firefly took its last shit.
What's the CEO's name?
Colleen Raqueño.
Spencer Archer.
Welcome to my office.
Book into my office.
How long
I love architecture.
A few days. I'm kind of a bit of food though.
Did you see this cool scar I got on my face?
Blueberries.
Yeah, it is pretty
A whole
dope.
stash of them. You want some? No. Man, relax. We're safe.
Listen here.
Why haven't you left?
Waiting on the right time.
Opportunity.
Y'all just waiting on the right time, I guess. Why haven't you settled down with a nice girl, a nice little country girl on some farmstead?
These sons of bitches. Every day they congregate down there, guarding that damn bridge. Come nighttime, it's down to a skeleton crew. After sunset, that's our window. Most of them gone, sneak right past them.
That could work.
Oh, it'll work. It'll definitely work.
Too cocky.
Wow. Alright, ready?
Ow.
It's been a while since that boy even cracked a smile. She doesn't seem bothered by all this.
Yeah. It's because she's a
Where
fucking
you headed?
bitch.
She's also like immune.
Fireflies are based out west somewhere. We're gonna join up with them. Something funny?
It just seems like there's a lot of people putting their stock on the Fireflies these days.
Yeah, maybe there's a reason for that.
You don't know where they are. You're just gonna drag him across the country to find them.
I tell you what, how about I worry about my
I'll
brother
tell you what.
about your girl.
I'll tell you what. You can tell he used to have
Easy.
earrings.
We're looking for the Fireflies.
Yeah.
This is us. There's an abandoned military radio station just outside the city. Any survivors from our group, they're supposed to meet us there tomorrow. You and your girl, you want to join us? It goes down tonight.
It goes down tonight. It's going down for real.
That's a lot of fucking.
That's a lot of icing on that damn cake.
I was talking about the power outlets.
Oh,
He says it's time to go.
There's like 5 of them in a row.
I mean, they're in an office.
It's usually still not like that.
You're moving fast, okay? So
Usually it's like 1, but like it was
light
5
blue.
on top of one
Light
another.
blue. Got it. Good. Good. All right. Y'all ready?
Howdy, y'all.
Hey, y'all stay close, okay?
I don't fucking listen to
Wait,
nobody.
before you leave. Right there.
It's life for you. You get fucked in your butt more than once, and you just act like a Beyblade and let that bitch rip. What's in here?
What?
What? What you know about that Beyblade though?
What the fuck is that? Did you mean a band-aid?
No, do you not know what a Beyblade is? Let her rip. Okay, wow, Kylie. Holy shit. Okay, maybe you need some informing here.
Okay, you know I lived underneath a rock.
Okay, so Beyblades, you remember those like toppers? The toppers that you could like, you pull like a cord and they start going? Like, you pull
Oh,
it? Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so yeah, those were Beyblades, except for like, instead of just being normal plastic toppers, they were plastic, but then they would put like really hard metal and stuff like that on the edges, and they would throw them into a ring, and the last one still spinning was like the winner. Beyblade used to be a big fucking thing back in the day. I don't know if it's so much so now. I've seen Beyblades though. Like we sell them at Target. Hey.
Oh yeah,
Hey.
this is the double.
Double kill.
And you gotta watch out for the light.
How come you killed him so quickly?
Because he stabbed him. You strangled him.
Goddamn it.
Check the building. Stay.
Yeah, I hear, but I don't see shit. Was there anything in there? Do you
Probably.
Shit, you're right. There's stuff behind the counter.
Why aren't you going for the guy with the light?
Because they see nothing. Shh, it's okay. Kisses.
Ah! hate when you do that.
God damn it.
You see nothing?
Ooh, there's people behind you too. Ah!
Oh god!
Told you!
Bitch!
Oh,
Ouch! Bitch! Bitch!
I told you. Ooh.
Bitch! Alright, we're good. We're all good. Oh god. Ow, that hurts. I was gonna say, dude, you're standing in fucking fire. Who the fuck shit? Ow. Dude, stop shooting him! I'm trying to... Fucking A, man. You know, you're fucking up my plans here. And look at my goddamn health now, you son of a bitch.
That's your fault. You stood in fucking fire.
Well, yeah, but the dude could have fucking, like, I don't know, stopped shooting him so I could fucking shoot him.
He
He was
actually
doing...
more active than Bill, at least.
Yeah, Bill... Well, that's because we broke Bill's hand. Like, in all honesty, Bill did get hurt pretty bad. Also, I can't get up there, so I'm not worried about it.
Shit.
Ellie. Get in the fucking house! Alright, guys. Well, this has been fun.
There wasn't anything, remember?
I don't actually remember. That was a nice shot, dude. Got him. Ow, fuck. Alright.
Alright, check it out. We're good. Sam, let's go. Alright, kid, come on. There you go. Come on. Shit. Hurry, hurry.
I picture that landing on Joel's head like, fuck!
Okay, we gotta get him up.
I'm sorry. We're leaving.
What? Bullshit!
Hey, now!
What the fuck, Henry?
Fuck!
We stick together.
You're right. We're gonna take that truck on.
No, you ain't.
Come on, truck. Oh, right, Ellie. It's okay, Ellie. We've got this. Come on into the building, goddammit. Ellie, fucking come on! Okay, he would have shot me by now. Y'all motherfuckers ain't taking me alive. Why is he, like, focusing in this general direction? Nobody saw that.
Yes, it did.
Hell yeah. Point a gun at him. That'll scare him away. Ouch.
You're right. Where the fuck were you aiming? Down.
Fuck, dude. Ellie! Get... Oh my god! What is up with the fucking NP... Come here. Ow! Listen, bitch. Alright, bitch, listen! You guys are fucking pissing me off. Fucking A, man. Jesus fucking Christ. The aiming in this fucking game can suck my goddamn dick. And now we're out of fucking bullets. And this game fucking sucks because Ellie will get the fuck out of my way! Thank you. Alright.
Wow.
I think I'm okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Ellie just really pissed me off.
Check
there.
behind the counter.
Okay, first let me get this out of the goddamn way. Come on, Joel, move your fucking ass. Joel, let go of the fucking thing. Thank you. Hey, looking good. Looks like he's dancing.
Okay,
Ooh.
dude, Dizzy.
Alright,
I think there's something on the hot dog stand.
look, we're so close to the bridge. I wonder what's over here.
Death?
Wait, what? What was that? What kind of death screen was that? That like flashed me back to where we fucking came in through.
No.
Yeah,
It didn't.
that looked like it was okay. Well, you may not have seen it, but I saw it.
I like how I said, hey, what's over here? Death. And you die immediately.
There might have been collectibles. If there's a collectible, there's a way.
Not when there's a chase scene coming. You are terrible.
I didn't get hit. Look at my health. See? Made it.
Really?
Oh shit, oh fuck!
How many bullets do you have left?
They're gonna kill us.
What other choice do we have?
We jump.
No, it's too high and you can't swim. I'll boost you up, you run past him.
You know, this is very excessive to go for just 2 people. Like, dude, whatever they have, it's not worth it. Although,
They killed a bunch of their
yeah, they're like,
people.
holy shit, you guys killed a lot of us. Well, also, if they wouldn't have killed as many people, there wouldn't have been this fucking problem. That'll knock the wind out of you.
Henry, he's awake.
Hey, you. We're alive.
See? What'd I tell you, huh? He's good. Everything's fine. You know, Sam's the one who spotted you. You guys are taking quite a bit of water.
Pardon my animations.
Get back, Carl!
He's pissed, but he's not gonna do anything.
You sure about that? Stop!
Joel?
You left us to die out there.
No, you had a good chance of making it, and you did. Coming back for you, putting him at risk. Stay back.
Carl, stay back. Everybody stay
Come
back.
back for us. I saved you.
Stay back, because I'm about to spit some fire bars, Carl. Carl.
You would've drowned.
How the hell did they see them in the water?
I don't know. Also, where the fuck were they? Were they on the bridge?
It's fine, I'm okay.
No, I think they jumped in the water too.
They might have.
I mean, they were ahead of them.
Yeah, literally, the only place they could have gone was that way.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that radio tower's on the other side of this cliff. Okay? Place is gonna be full of supplies.
And it's also going to be full of bullshit.
You'll be really happy you didn't kill me.
You're going to be really happy you didn't fucking kill me.
Hey, we're gonna search this area. See what we come up with.
That was intense.
Yeah, you can. There's nothing over here.
Why don't you suck my dick, Carl?
There's nothing over
Hey, look,
here.
There's the bridge. Oh, no! No. You picked that up, you motherfucker. Nice try, asshole. Nice try.
Second there. Thought you might shoot him.
Yeah, almost did.
Yeah, Joel, you got to get out of that shit.
I think it's good to have him around.
I think you're right.
I
You're
think,
gonna want to go the way that they explored.
I think they are, they're not going to kill us. I hope you're right, Ellie. For their sake. Okay. Well, game, you can fuck off with your shit too.
Go the way they explored. There's, I think, something.
Hey,
over that
Allie.
way.
I think we found something.
Let's go see what it is.
Let's go see. Let's go on a treasure hunt. Yeah, I don't think there's anything over here.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm going up there.
Well, that's the way you have to go.
Well, I mean, there's no other way I can go.
Well, you explored everything.
You're goddamn right. And I'll do it again if I got to. You hear me, Coral? Huh, this guy's having a rough day.
That guy's
Goes all the
dead.
way through.
Oh, there it is.
Give me him with you.
So you're doing this area?
Unless you want to deal with all the ghoulies.
Alright, come on, kids, go.
I mean, you seem to have dealt with them fine the first time. So do you want to go again?
Sure.
I know you wanted to, you fucking crazy person. Here, we'll switch places real quick. Unless you're good there. Are you good there?
Mm-mm. That's a mountain.